Welcome back friends. So in last video we saw that how we can create a student data component and how we can display the data associated with it. Right? But student data, if you see, it's not all about the name of the students. It can have several other attributes like the roll number of the student, his name, his address and his course to which he has enrolled. Right? So all these things we can create a new data structure, or you can say a new class. Right? So we can do that using a new class. So how we can create a class, let's see that. So we just need to go to the same command prompt and open it in the administrative mode and go to the same path where our project is available. So it's my machine, it's at this location. So here I'm going to generate a new class and the name is student. Okay, so as soon as you generate the class using the ng generate command, then you will be able to see that these two files have been added. This one is the description specification file for your class. This is basically specifying the protocol that how your instance will be created, and this one is your class for you to add new attributes here. So first attribute is id, or you can say the roll number, and here I can give it like number. Then I can give like string, not string, it's name, would be like string, and then its course, and it would be string, then its address, and it also will be string, and that's it. Our class is ready. The attributes for a student class we have defined here. Now we have to create an array of students. As of now, I'm not using any service from where I'm getting data. So I will be creating the dummy data, or you can say the array of students I will be creating in my application. That will be a dummy data only. So create that dummy data. I'm just going to create a new file and I'm going to give a name, dummy data.ts. Just need to finish it, and then here I just need to add this student.ts, this TypeScript, to my file. So for that I just need to use the import statement. Import, and what is the name? Student is the name of the class, and then I need to write like from, and then you need to give the path, and this is not student data, it's only student. Right? You don't need to give the .ts. Here you can see that student is there and there is no .ts here. Okay, now we can write like export const std records, and we can write like student, and here we can write like this. And now we are going to create new records. So the records will be created inside this curly braces. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to provide the various values for the various attributes. So the first one is roll number, and for this I'm going to provide the value 1000, which is a number, and then the next attribute is name. Here I need to provide the name as Prakash. Then I need to provide the course and its MCA, and then I have the address, and that is GZB, which means Ghaziabad. And after that I'm going to add the next record. So I just need to copy these and I will do slide changes. So second, third, fourth, fifth, 5 records I'm going to create. I'm going to add the numbers here. Roll number, I'm just going to update it. I've just updated it, and 1004. And Prakash, then we can write like Tinny, Gopu, then Vijay, then we can have Sanjay. Okay, so we can change the courses here. Someone is doing MBA, few of doing MCA. Someone lives in Ghaziabad, someone lives in Meerut, someone lives in Delhi, and someone living in Noida, and someone again in Ghaziabad. Okay, so we have done all the changes. We have made every student unique. And now what we need to do, we have created a class, we have created a dummy file where we have our dummy data, right? So what we can do now, we can go to the student data component, and I just need to remove this one. And after removing this, I just need to import the class student. First I need to import the class student from dot slash, what will be the name, student. It's taking some time. Dot slash and then student. That's it. And then I need to import that file where my data has been manufactured in the dummy data file. So in the dummy data, I just need to import this std records. Export means that it has been exported and is available throughout the module, right? So export, since it has been exported, so you are importing it here. What is the name? Std record. It is std records or std record. I need to check std records. This is std records. So I'm taking this one from dot slash, what is the name, dummy data. All right, so this has been this should have been compiled now. Let us check if it has been compiled or not. So it is showing some error. Okay, so this is showing error because here I have added few things which are not available anymore. So just need to remove this and let's see what happens. Okay, so this has been compiled and now it is showing some other error. Okay, so it is showing me that comma is expected here in this dummy data. So I just forgot the comma. Something happened.